My name is Rose Buckmaster, and I moved into that condo here in July the 5th of last year. Well, I lived in a small town, Lillooet. I was there for 28 years from here. My husband got cancer, and I had a medical issue, shortly after he passed away, and that's when my daughter said, "Mom, you need to sell your house and move here." So just shortly after moving in here, one of the ladies on my floor had their heating or whatever quit on her, and I seen the Acclaimed truck outside, so I got a hold of Kevin. Anyways, he come and talked to me, and he said, "Rose," he said, "I'll take you down to the one lady that hers just quit on her." So I went down there and I talked to her, and she just said, "Rose, if you're going to do it," she said, "I would highly recommend you just do it." The people that work for them, they were just amazing guys, and I'm not saying that to whatever. They come in here. I told them to treat this place as their place. Come in and do whatever you want. They didn't have to remove their shoes. They didn't have to put down any protective stuff or whatever, and just do their thing. And so they did. They were very clean, very neat, very respectful, and it just down and out decent guys. Everything was all nice and clean and whatever, and just really, I can't say enough, the guys were wonderful.